Sustainable supply chains are the backbone of a responsible and ethical business model. They go beyond traditional supply chain management by integrating environmental, social, and economic considerations into every aspect of the supply chain process. From sourcing raw materials to final product delivery, sustainable supply chains aim to minimize negative impacts on the planet and society while ensuring long-term viability for businesses and communities. Why sustainable supply chains matter? Environmental responsibility. 1. Resource conservation. Sustainable supply chains focus on reducing resource consumption, minimizing waste, and promoting the use of renewable energy sources. 2. Pollution reduction. They aim to reduce air, water, and soil pollution throughout the supply chain. 3. Climate change mitigation. By reducing carbon emissions and promoting sustainable practices, they contribute to mitigating climate change. Social responsibility. 1. Fair labor practices. Sustainable supply chains prioritize fair wages, safe working conditions, and respect for human rights across the entire supply chain. 2. Ethical sourcing. They avoid sourcing from suppliers that engage in unethical practices like child labor, forced labor, or environmental exploitation. 3. Community development. Sustainable supply chains often support local communities through job creation, fair trade practices, and investment in social programs. Economic benefits. 1. Cost reduction. Efficient resource management, reduced waste, and improved supply chain resilience can lead to long-term cost savings. 2. Enhanced reputation. Sustainable practices can enhance brand reputation and attract environmentally and socially conscious consumers. 3. Risk mitigation. By addressing potential risks and vulnerabilities in the supply chain, businesses can mitigate risks and ensure long-term sustainability. Future readiness. 1. Adaptability. Sustainable supply chains are more adaptable to changing regulations, consumer preferences, and environmental challenges. 2. Innovation. They encourage innovation and the development of new technologies that promote sustainability and efficiency. 3. Long-term viability. Sustainable practices contribute to the long-term viability of businesses and the overall health of the planet. Key elements of sustainable supply chains. 1. Sustainable sourcing. Responsible procurement of raw materials from ethical and environmentally friendly suppliers. 2. Efficient operations. Minimizing waste, energy consumption, and transportation costs throughout the supply chain. 3. Fair labor practices. Ensuring fair wages, safe working conditions, and respect for human rights across the supply chain. 4. Product lifecycle management. Designing products for recyclability, reusability, and reduced environmental impact. 5. Transparency and accountability. Providing clear information about supply chain practices and performance to stakeholders. Conclusion: sustainable supply chains are not just a trend. They are a necessity for businesses that want to operate ethically, responsibly, and profitably in the long term. By embracing sustainability, businesses can contribute to a healthier planet, a more just society, and a more prosperous future for all.